Hello students, next start question number 21 of exercise 6.1. So the statement is Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two unit test. Ravi ਦੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੋ unit test ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ marks ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ, in the first test he got 70 marks and in the second test he got 75 marks. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test. So what is minimum? मिनिमम का मतलब ਉਹਦੇ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਥਰਡ ਟੈਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਣਗੇ. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. At least one. So at least ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿੰਬਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋਗੇ greater than or equal to. मतलब ਉਹਦੇ ਥਰਡ ਟੈਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਵੀ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਐਵਰੇਜ ਆ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ 60 ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. 60 तो ज़्यादा हो सकती है बट एटलीस्ट 60 उधर एवरेज होनी चाहिए. Alright, so for at least you can use symbol this one greater than or equal to, and for at most you can use this symbol less than or equal. At most का मतलब होना या उसको कट, ठीक है. So less than which symbol होगा this one less than or equal. So we take the Ravi ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥਰਡ ਟੈਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਰੀਏਬਲ x ਲਵਾਂਗੇ. ਲੈਟ ਰਵੀ ਡਾਟ x marks in the third test. Let Ravi dot x marks in the third test. Ravi the x marks are in the third test. Now according to the given condition, Ravi had how many tests? 3 tests. In first test he got 70 marks, second test 75 marks, and in third test he got x marks. So to find the average, what is the formula? Sum of all observation divided by number of observation. So there are how many tests? 3 tests, so you can divide it by 3. Alright. Now the condition is to have an average of at least 60 marks. The third test ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦੀ ਐਵਰੇਜ at least 60 ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. at least ਦੇ ਸਿੰਬਲ greater than or equal to here 60. ठीक है. Now you can add this number 75 to 70 is 145 plus x divided by 3 greater than or equal to 60. Now here the denominator is 3, so you can multiply 3 on both sides. Now this 3 cancel. What is left here? 145 plus x greater than or equal to 63 or 108. Now the constant on left hand side is 145. Now you can subtract 145 on both hand sides. We look at 145 plus x minus 145 greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. Now this 145 cancel from left hand side. So what is left here? X greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. It is 35. It means Ravi got at least 35 marks in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. मतलब रवि ने कट तो कट थर्ड टेस्ट में 35 मार्क्स होने जरूरी नहीं. 35 या 35 तो ज़्यादा जिधे नाल उसकी एवरेज 60 होगी. Alright, right there Ravi got at least 35 marks in third test to have an average of 60 marks. ठीक है. रवि ने थर्ड टेस्ट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ 35 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦੀ ਐਵਰੇਜ 60 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ. Alright, so this is your question number 21st. Now the question number 22nd is same as this question number 21st. ठीक है. 22nd क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल सेम है. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਦੇ 5 सब मार्क्स ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਟੈਸਟ ਦੇ. So same इसमें सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. So it is your homework. Question number 22nd. Now the next question number 23rd is find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers both of which are smaller than 10 such that their sum is more than 11. So question च की कहना है find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ odd integers ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ such that the condition is the integers which are smaller than 10. ਜਿਹੜੇ integers ਹੋਣਗੇ ਉਹ 10 ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ smaller such that their sum is more than 11. और उन्होंने पेयर्स का जो सम होगा दैट शुड बी 11 sorry more than 11 that should be more than 11. So there are two conditions given. The integers are smaller than 10 and their sum should be more than 11. So let us take, let x be the smaller. Student, what is consecutive? Consecutive मतलब जेडे लगातार नंबर होते हैं जिसमें 2, 3, 4, 5. But क्वेश्चन लिखे हैं consecutive odd integers. So consecutive odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7 dash 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 up to so on. Alright. So let x be the smaller of the two consecutive odd integers. Alright. अभी मान के चल रहे हैं x और smaller integer consecutive odd pairs के बीच, ठीक है? सेकंड इंटीजर what? x plus 2. अगर सपोज कर लो कि एक पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर है 5, तो 5 के बीच ਤੁਸੀਂ कितने ऐड करोगे? अपने को नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर होगा ऑड इंटीजर 2 because 5 plus 2 is 7. That's why the smallest integer is x. That's why other जो integer होगा it is x plus 2. Now the condition is both of which are smaller than 10. Both of which, ठीक है? मतलब दोनों इंटीजर्स 10 तो भी होंगे, स्मॉलर होंगे. So we take x plus 2 less than 10. अगर x plus 2 10 तो लेस है, तो x भी ऑलरेडी क्या होगा? 10 तो लेस ही होगा, ठीक है? So from this equation, put together x less than 8. This is our first condition. X should be less than 8. The next is sum is more than 11. The sum of both this odd consecutive integer is greater than 11. The first integer is x and the second one is x plus 2. It should be more than what? 11. Only more than, not say equal to. इन्होंने equal to नहीं किया, सिर्फ उसी greater the sign put करोगे, ठीक है? Now x plus x here 2x plus 2 greater than 11 or 2x plus 2 minus 2 greater than 11 minus 2. 2 to cancel. So what is left here? 2x greater than 9 or divided by 2 both sides. X is greater than 9 by 2 and the approximate value is what? 4.5. That means x is greater than 4.5. This is our second condition. ठीक है? Now you can comparing this first and second condition. What are the possible values of x? X की possible values केड़ी होंगी? और possible integers केड़े होंगे? Which are odd. So x की value 4.5 तो greater and 8 तो less. तो 4.5 तो और 8 के which odd integers केड़े ने? 5 and second one which 7. So you can write x can take the value 5 and 7. ठीक है? X की value 5 और 7 possible है. So what are the pairs? The possible pairs are if the first number is 5, then what is the second number? 5 plus 2, 7. This is the first pair. So check out the 5 and 7. They are both smaller than 10? Yes. And the sum of 5 and 7 is 12. 12 is what? More than 11. Okay? This is the first pair. Second pair is if the first number is 7 and second one is 9. Check out the 7 and 9. They are both smaller than 10? Yes. And 7 plus 9, 16. 16 is also more than 11. So this is the second pair. So there are two possible pairs. Okay? The first one is 5, 7. The second one is 7, 9. Alright. So this is your question number 23rd. Now the question number 24th is same as this question number 23rd. ठीक है? उस क्वेश्चन में लिखे consecutive even positive integers. So you can take same first integer x and second one is x plus 2 because even number में की अगर suppose करो first even number 2 तो 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ plus करोगे next even होगा 4 because 2 plus 2 is 4. That's why you can take both this integer. First integer is x and the second one is x plus 2. Okay, so in the same way you can solve the question number 24. It is your homework.